Tired of the same boring iPhone ringtones and want to make your phone truly you? First, find the video with the audio you want to use and save it to your iPhone's Photos app. Next, download GarageBand from the App Store if you don't already have it. It's free and works perfectly for this. Open GarageBand and swipe left until you see Audio Recorder. Tap the VoiceOver instrument option. Don't worry, we're not actually recording a voiceover. Tap the View button, which looks like a few horizontal lines now. Tap the loop icon in the upper right corner. This will open the loop browser. Select the Files tab. Then tap Browse Items from the Files app. Find the video you saved earlier, and GarageBand will extract the audio. Now the audio clip will appear in the GarageBand timeline. Turn the beginning and end of the clip to your desired section, making sure it's no longer than 30 seconds, or it won't work as a ringtone. You can use your fingers to drag the yellow markers on each side. Once you are happy with the selection, tap the down arrow in the upper left corner and select My Songs. This will save your project. Long press on your project until a menu appears. Select Share and then choose Ringtone. Give your ringtone a name and tap Export. After exporting, tap Use Sound As and choose Standard Ringtone. And that's it. Your new custom ringtone is now set. Enjoy your personalized iPhone alert. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips.